If you do this, people will secretly lose respect for you. 1. When you say yes to everything, people stop valuing your time. Every yes that goes against your peace teaches others that your time is cheap, and your boundaries are negotiable. 2. When you over-explain yourself, they sense insecurity. Because explaining yourself to everyone is like handing out pieces of your peace to people who never earned it. 3. When you gossip, they question your loyalty. Strong minds discuss ideas. Weak minds discuss people. 4. When you never stand for anything, they stop respecting you. Stand for truth, even if it costs you comfort. Because respect isn't earned by fitting in. It's earned by standing firm. Respect isn't demanded, it's quietly earned through boundaries.